Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about home and summary functions in the system menu. You're probably used to see the home screen. But if you accidentally click on another function, then it disappears. You can quickly go back by using the home function in the system menu. When you know how to use the home function, you can always go back to the home screen easily and quickly, even if you accidentally switch to another function. Next part, let's talk about summary. When you click on summary, you'll see a summary screen pop up. It will show you your server name, account, balance, and net P&L. Of course, you'll only see net P&L if you have open positions. Let's place a new order, then you can see your current position's net P&L. Now let go to summary function and you will see the bottom of the screen also shows your position information, including the product name, type, price, volume, and P&L of the products. So when we talk about trading history, we will think about what we has been trading before. If we want to check the history of trading, just go to summary screen and you will see the history icon. In this part, you will see history, so let's talk about it. History will show you the full history of trading account. Here can see two history representation modes. Positions and order and deals. Positions, here you can see the list of positions. The list collects data on deals related to a position, like open time is represent for a deal execution time. Specifically, it's according to the time zone of the broker's trading server and recorded as year, month, day, hour, minute, and second. Symbol will show all of financial instrument name. ID, the deal ID in an external trading system. The display of this parameter can be disabled depending on your broker's settings. Type will show about the directional order. Volume is a volume of an executed deal in lot size. Open price is a price at which the deal was executed. And there are many more, such as stop loss, take profit, close price, and so on. Order and deals. This section is similar to position, but you can manage and track the history more wisely and detail with the record of all complete and pending orders. You might wonder, what is pending order? I will explain it later. Let's get an example. Now I place a new sell limit order and you can see that the order limit will list down to order and deals, and it's called an pending order because it has not been executed or completed yet. Whenever an order is not trough into the market, it is not considered as completed. Remember this ticket number. Now I will try to delete this order as an example. Okay, after deleted that pending order, we come back to the order and deals. Let's see how to find. Here we have data range option to choose, such as today, 1 week, 3 months, 1 year, or you can customize the date for a specific date, such as from date and to date. After we click the search button, then we can find the order we have just deleted. Moreover, history can be extremely helpful to customer. They can filter the specific date and time to check out their previous trading information, such as their profit, loss, open time, closing time, or price, etc.